I am here with my brother today. This is my little brother, and we're going to be setting up his Go High Level account. And I'm going to show you the exact process of how to get signed up. And I'm actually going to do it with my brother right here with me, and show you the same exact way I would teach my own brother to sign up. So the first thing you're going to do is go to ghlnow.com, and you'll see this page right here. And then you are going to select the 14-day free trial option. Here's where you're going to enter the company name, your full name, your email address, and your phone number. Now you want to make sure that you enter in the correct email and the correct phone number because they're going to text you a one-time password. So you want to make sure that you enter in the correct information here. So we're going to do this now, and I'm going to blur this out because I don't want people to have my brother's information. So once you have all this information filled out, then you're going to select the Go to Next Step button right there in the middle. So now you have two options. You can either sign up for the $97 a month option, or you can sign up for the $297 a month option. Now the $97 a month option, the biggest difference between the two is this. $97 a month is if you are just running your own business and you have just one business, then you'll go with the $97 a month option. Now if you have multiple businesses, or if you want to set up multiple accounts for multiple different clients of yours, or you run multiple different businesses and you want to create multiple sub accounts, then you'll want to go with the $297 a month plan because that plan allows you to have unlimited accounts. The $97 a month plan gives you two. That's the difference between the two. There's a 14-day free trial, so you can test it out. You could start with the $297 plan, do the 14-day trial, and then before your trial's up, you could switch it to the $97 plan. This is completely up to you. I personally use the $297 plan because I have sub accounts for everything you can think of, and also I have clients, so it's up to you. And then once you select which option you want there, then you're going to enter in your card information and select the Start Your Free 14-day trial button. So we're going to do that now, but we're also going to block this out because, again, I don't want you to have my brother's information. Okay, so once you select Go, it says, wait, do you want the done for you setup? You don't have to do this. It's a one-time fee of $299. I'm going to go ahead and say, no thanks, I don't need this now. I'm going to show you how to set it all up. So we're going to go ahead and click here to get started. Now it's going to say, what industry does your business serve? This doesn't really matter per se, so I'm going to just put other. How many customers do you have? I'm going to say I don't have any customers yet. And then do you have a website? I'm going to say no, I don't have a website yet. And then I'm going to go ahead and select next. Then here's where you'll enter your billing address, and that's the address for the card that you just entered in. And then you're going to go ahead and answer the questions on this page right here. So do you intend on reselling HighLevel? This means, do you plan on getting sub accounts underneath yours? Because you are able to white label this if you want. I'm just going to select no. It doesn't matter. You can always go back and change this. So we're going to go ahead and enter in the billing address information, and then we're going to select awesome, let's get started. Okay, so now it's going to say, what business tools are you currently using? I'm just going to select the next button on the bottom right. I'm going to move the screen over here a little bit so you can see that next button down there. You can fill this out if you want, but you don't have to. So I'm just going to select next. I'm going to say got it. Now here's where you're going to make your password, and you want to make sure that you remember this password because you're going to use it for logging into your Go High Level account. And also, after you do this, I want to make sure that you download the mobile app on your phone. So download Go High Level mobile app on your phone. Just go to the App Store and type in Go High Level. You want to download it on your phone because it's really incredible that you can have all of this right at your fingertips. You're going to love what you can do with the mobile app. And the mobile app is free as well. Let's go ahead and show on the camera here. Anthony just pulled it up, and this is what it looks like. So that's what the HighLevel mobile app looks like. He's going to go ahead and download that on his phone right now. And then we're also going to make up a password for him. So we're going to go ahead and do that now, and then we'll select the Set Up My Account button. Do you remember that? Okay. Okay, so then you're going to select the Set Up My Account button, and we're almost done from this point. So what it's going to do now is it's going to say verify that email address. So it's going to give us a verification code, and we're going to type that in right now. Now we're going to go ahead and select verify, and now it's going to ask us to verify the phone number as well. We're going to enter in that verification code and then we'll select verify. Now, the reason why it asks you for those verification codes is because it is keeping your account secure. So now anytime someone else tries to log into your account or anything like that, it's just an extra layer of security to make sure that your account is protected. But once you do that, you are all set up and you are in.